Dear colleagues, dear scholars, dear participants, today I would like to share with you about academic networking and academic leadership networks. Networks are fast becoming the nerve system of our society, and it's no exaggeration to state that the 21st century is the age of networks. Digital technology is the first thing that comes into our mind when people think about networks. It is important to note that networks are not only present in the technology arena, but also very important for the economies, our societies, cultures, and of course, the academic networks. One of the main developments over recent years has been the growth of networking in education and academic settings. An academic network is generally considered to represent an extended group or system of connected academic people and organizations with similar interests or concerns. Through the academic networks, we can interact and exchange knowledge, experiences, objectives, challenges, and possible solutions. The emergence of academic networking requires networking skills. Networking skills have become one of the core skills in the current society. This is very important to enhance our academic knowledge as well as to build awareness about the wider society and to play a more active role in the global community. Networking skills are also important to foster innovation, creativity skills, problem solving, and collaboration with people of diverse backgrounds. Networking skills are also closely related to digital skills and digital responsibility. Networking skills, of course, also build on interpersonal skills, interpersonal emotional intelligence, and leadership skills. Building academic networks undoubtedly have become crucial in the 21st century. The single higher education institution model is no longer viable in this society. Academic networks and university alliances with more complex organizational forms have become a necessary form of collaboration. Networks can respond more strongly to fast technological changes, collective knowledge creation, and information sharing at different levels. In many respects, the vertical hierarchical organization is giving way to a more horizontal and more flat frameworks. This brings not only a modification of our conception of higher education institutions, but also new models of academic leadership practices. Therefore, leading academic networking and strengthening academic communities has become a mission of all stakeholders in the academic settings. This will be vital to improve teaching and learning practices, enhance the quality of education and research, and improve the performance of academic teams. Networking leadership can facilitate and encourage more initiatives focused on networking to address fragmentation and to tackle problems which are difficult for individuals to solve on their own. The development of academic networks as institutional, regional, or national strategies can also better support the awareness of diversity and cultures. At the European level, networks have already become a very common trend in the educational systems. To give a full play of academic networks can also face a series of challenges. The leadership skills in networking can act as a catalyst for innovation, change, and community building. In the EU-supported LEAD2 project, creating and strengthening academic networks among Chinese and European universities are one of our main objectives. Scholars, researchers, and academic leaders at different levels can gather to follow leadership development, peer learning, and academic networking. During the collaborative training and workshops, scholars and researchers show an increasing interest in the promotion of interconnected relationships among academic staff and leaders. Creating and strengthening the networks are essential in achieving effective higher performance and academic outcomes. The added value of these networks can be tremendous. Regarding the leadership skills for networking, distributed leadership and collective leadership have certainly gained more and more attention among academic leaders. The ability to work well with others, tap into networks, and draw on collective intelligence is of critical importance to our current generations. The idea of network leadership is becoming more and more prevalent. Collaborative networks are now a clear focus of inquiry for education and research. Looking to the future, the developments of networks still need efforts from all scholars and all higher education institutions. Nurturing more academic leaders with networking skills is certainly one of the crucial strategies to maximize the benefits and excellence of academic networks. The LEAD2 Academic Leadership Network is a community connecting scholars, researchers, and academic leaders in China, in the EU, and also at the international level. This is a strong part of the future academic landscape in terms of leadership, education, research, and the knowledge society. Thank you very much for joining these collective efforts. Let's get connected to build more and more academic networks and academic leadership networks. Thank you.